Shoshokazi, welcome back to Speaker Nawe. I'm still your boy Taylor DJ. So bengithi ngifuna nje ukwenza i-review ne-recap eTurban July event because bengizwa abantu abaningi be-complain about i-attendance. Abanye bathi no, i-experience ibi-great, especially from labantu abasuke eGoli ade beya ku-Durban July for the first time. So into ede ngifuna ukukhuluma kakhulu ama-marquee because last year khona i-video sasiyenzile sakhuluma ukuthi inamba yama-marquee ade engekho last year. So this year I think kube khona i-improvement yama-marquee. Even though number, I think my numbers are still asephansi after i-COVID, but I think my numbers ama-marquee aqala ukuba maningi. So abantu babuya again ba-invest back to uvula ama-marquee because ku-risk ngale ndlela. I think if yokubhukha i-marquee ku-Durban July is close to 100k. So abantu abaningi bayasaba ukuthi no bazowenza i-loss because kumele ukuthi uthengise amathikithi. But akhona ama-marquee ade ngekho last year ngwabona ide khona this year because khona i-brand le moto le yini omoda last year bikhona but bekade ine-setup outside kade i-showcase but this bavele babuya ne-marquee and i-marquee yabo bi-attractive ngale ndlela like binendawo zokushutha like ibi-attractive nje ngale ndlela but i-marquee uyiyona esibe khona isikhathi eside like eBoomtown. So I think maybe mhlawumbe unyaka we-13 lo ikhona la I think yona i-oldest marquee leyo kayi lapho ke ziyawa ngempela zakhipha nakhona. So ibikhona this and yenza i-partnership neGagas FM because usually baqala ukusebenza ne-East Coast Radio but i-East Coast Radio i-accommodate kakhulu abantu ababelungu even though iDurban July kuyivele kuyinto abelungu but u-involve iGagas bithe kuba ne-vibe kakhulu. I think this ayibe happy kakhulu ku-Boomtown and nama was supposed to get it eBoomtown around abo April but angilithenganga because ayiqale cheap ke this time abesela around abo 900 ke. So I know angisoze ngatheka i-general 900 mina angisangani ngekhanda. So iBoomtown ibikhona ke and ikhona engibonile eSavannah ibikhona enye iHollywood Bet ke yona vele sponsor official seDurban July. So nabe ne-marquee but this bebe nama rules amaningi even just move around kwi-village le eDurban July. So I think ayileyo yona engithene off because bekunama rules amaningi lapha nama-photographer lakho bebengenayo full access lapho. Khona ezinye indawo ekuthiwa ungashutheli kuzona especially izindawo lezi indawo zabelungu like bafike bazobeka indawo zokuhlobisa but abafuna abantu abafota ngamakhamera abafuna umuntu efote ngefoni yakhe. So doesn't make sense because iDurban July abantu basobevele befuna ukufutha ama-pictures ngamakhamera not ngamafoni. So I think bithe kuba nama-rules amaningi and I think next year mhlawumbe umuntu oyi-photographer ufuna ukuya lapha eDurban July kumele ube khona leli khadi leli le-media access a-applyelwa. It's just that i-application yakhona iphuma late maybe kusuke sekusele 2 weeks before iDurban July. So ama-chances ukuthi uyithole mancane especially uma ukuthi mhlawumbe usebenza kwi-publication engekho recognizable because bafuna like abantu basebenza ku-SABC like mhlawumbe umhlobo wenene la labantu abasebenzela ama-radio station amakhulu but you can apply even usebenzela ku-community radio stations just that i-application yakhona i-process and iyadika. But ke nama I think next year into ezongisiza iyona because this year I was late maybe about 5 hours. So lapha i-access esangweni siqhela ukuyithola bakhona abanye osisi abasebenza kwiKwekwezi FM eliseJozi. So ibona esivamise ukungena ngabo but bafike early so bebesebe inside ke. So sike sathuba ne-issue ukungena but sicinde singenile from another guy what the staff lapha noma umuntu wazi ukuthi endlulise lapho because i-issue ukungena namakhamera amawuthi unethikithi le general. So bekuyile experience yami but I think i-Afrotainment isayibambile imarquee yakhona la bephila kakhulu ibine-vibe and ama-celebrity amaningi ngiwabonile lakho ngabone from imarquee le kaDira. So like aboModa abo-DJ Sbu ubani uyolanda uba lo mfana wade wena ku-Big Brother lapha uSweet Guluva bebekhona. I think iyona e-attract abantu abaningi abafika because ingaku-encourage ngena kakhulu ama-celebrity u-DJ Zinhle like abantu abaningi ngibabone kule imarquee ye-Afrotainment but imarquee uyona engifuna ukukhuluma ngayo because I think when to come ama-new marquee abemaningi amasha but efike yenza kakhulu and I think bayenzeleke imali labo because bebe-market nje kakhulu because uze-Durban July. So bekukhona imarquee emakube njalo. So imakube njalo indawo yaseJozi laphana edume kakhulu ngamapiano. So babe ne-marquee for the first time this year ku-Durban July and abantu abaningi baseJozi ade befika laphana even kuma-security even egate-ini wonke umuntu bethi mayefika ebuza ukuthi ikuphi location emarquee emakube njalo. So iqale nje yangaba busy during the day because mina ngifika after I think it was after 2 p.m. but after 6 p.m. izinto ezenzeka lapha kule marquee yasemakube njalo. I think next day I know ngifuna uba inside I know abe happy kakhulu lapha. I think yona marquee lonyaka ekadine vibe kakhulu especially abantu baseJozi like bayisupport ngale ndlela. So I think nathi abantu base KZN mhlawumbe when it's come to ama-marquee bele sike sithi ubona laphana enjalo so lethi sokwazi ukuthola la experience yepiano laseGoli because ipiano edlala eDurban ipiano edlala anywhere alifani ledlala laphana eGoli. So I think iDurban July belong kubantu baseGoli because abantu abaningi engibabonile especially ama-celebrity laba baseJozi lakho baseDurban lakho abantu baseRedweni even uKhoze FM angilibonanga so angi-understand kwenzakalani is like iDurban July bekuvele kwasuka abantu baseGoli beze eDurban lakho abantu abakumedia bafe bezwenza into zabo but abantu abaningi laba abaku-space media around eDurban abo Pietermaritzburg Newcastle or Richards Bay like even abo 1KZN angibabonanga like even imedia bekhona i-TV iNCA bonke laba base-SABC but angibabonanga laba abalocal so ibingathi nje i-vibe yaseGoli but no ama-marquee abehephena kakhulu so injalo no I think yona marquee engifuna uyathenda nami next step because that's another thing esengibonile the more uyathenda iDurban July kumele ube ne-access ama-marquee because ila uzothola khona abantu especially uma ufuna ama-pictures like ufuna ama-setup ufuna ama-customer lawa azokhokha because laba abasobe la general even though bekhokha but abayiphethe imali ngalowo ndlela uma ufuna lezi ephethe imali ngempela kumele ungene laphana ko-Boom Town ungene inside konjalozi omoda but lawa ama-marquee afana no-omoda bikhona enye ka-Department of Tourism leyo ithanda ukuba i-professional kakhulu like ingenwa ilabantu lapho uma ufuna ithenda mhlawumbe la qoqa amasudi laphana nama-ticket akhona abiza because amanye abela ko-2.5 so just ungena nje khona laphana music abodlala badlala i-jazz like uyabona ukuthi no into e-serious leyo but abantu abaningi bebhizinisi ba-attenda bifuli abekhona nje amanye but le savana khona edi ngibonile kade ngathi nawo iyahephena ivenduki ayibehephena kakhulu na so iMetro FM angibona ngathi sekube bigiphi marquee but abantu abaningi beMetro FM ngibabone bebe around because last year babekade beku-partnership noTiri babe laphana under Afrotainment but bebengekho Afrodis angibazi bebelaphi but uKhoze FM ngibe-worried ngiliboni kakasi ngilibonile lifake kakhulu kwi-Boom Town la ku-main stage ijolo ukuba khona be-present angizange babona bebe-busy kwi-Boom Town but I think i-Boom Town nayo behephena kuyona kakhulu mangibona ama-pictures but I think injalozi no I know makube njalo nobenze kakhulu iDurban July so nje bekuyona i-highlight yami because I was planning ukuthi ngishuthe i-vlog ne-content but sasi-late ama-camera angachajiwe like fully because la safikela khona there was load shedding ekuseni esasingayazi ukuthi ivela lapho kule BNB le sasibhukhe kuyona sazolala kuyona on Saturday so yayi-messed up i-weekend yami but-ke sayithola i-content embalwa nama-pictures ambalwa because sangena late so nje but I think abantu kibona bathatha umhlanganisi makube njalo be-on kakhulu so next day ama-restriction yiwo lawa I'm not sure ukuthi mhlawumbe mangiyenayo i-access ama-marquee ukuthi ngiyoyena maybe ngiyo-attenda but without i-camera because I think i-camera laphana mophethe ama-camera nezinto ey'ningi kuba nzima kakhulu but the more kuhamba isikhathi maybe after abo-5 seqala ukuba mnyama la kufika khona abantu sebeze kwi-vibe ngempela-ke lapho ila kusetshenzwa khona-ke so mawuphethe ama-strobe lights uphethe ama-speed lights I think ebusuku-ke la ungasebenza khona wenza imali iDurban July maybe from 6 PM kuze koshawu 10 because ila kubhizi khona-ke so nje abafuna uku-attenda next day abantu bephathe ama-strobe lights but make sure ukuthi une-access le media because no ama-restriction abelungu babengadlalisi umthetho buthanda uba strong kakhulu but yona reaction espeaker nawe ama-after parties abekhona ade trenda kakhulu bekuyi-Sound and Festival I think yona ehambe phambili when it's coming to ama-pictures ne-performance awekho ama-complaint avela but khona le yaSunday e-Afrotech yenziwa uDJ Melon bekade se-People's Park noma no bengade ngekho le stadium eseduze se-People's Park so yona ibe-Sunday-ke and ama-pictures akhona iwona angithusayo like ngathi i-event yaphesheya lo so I think uMelon uyibambile-ke la anyway ino-city so I think one of the biggest after parties eDurban July bekhona because this year ubenza for I think owe-7 eyenza so yeah next day nami ngiyafisa ukuya like just ngizobona ne-vibe nje Afrotech ne-3 step like so I think ngizoyivala khona lapha i-recap yami because asikwazanga ukuba ne-vlog but abantu abaningi sibabonile like i-fashion show safika se-announce ama-winners so we don't have i-content yayo so stay tuned to Speaker Nawe sekhona on Facebook Speaker Nawe Twitter @Speaker Nawe Instagram Speaker Nawe na TikTok c.speaker.nawe